Welcome to Inspire Education. Today we are going to see what a head and shoulder pattern is. A head and shoulder pattern is a bullish signal in the technical analysis of stocks. It marks a possible reversal of current downtrend into a new uptrend. So that is a reversal indicator we can say, which marks the जो करंट डाउन ट्रेंड है वो एक नए अप ट्रेंड में कन्वर्ट होगा, इसके सिग्नल्स देता है. कमिंग ऑन टू द क्रॉनिकल्स ऑफ द पैटर्न, द फर्स्ट क्रॉनिकल इज दैट वॉल्यूम इज एन एब्सोल्युटली क्रूशियल सिग्नल टू अ हेड एंड शोल्डर बॉटम. Increasing volumes towards the breakout would mark the end of the pattern and reversal of downtrend. जब भी breakout होगा, that should be marked with increase in volumes so that the downtrend ends and an uptrend continues. Going deep into the charts, studying the head and shoulder patterns, as we can see in this chart, the first point, which is the left shoulder, occurs when the price of the stock in falling market, this is a falling market, this is a falling market, the price of the stock in the falling market hits a new low. This is a new low that the stock hits and then rises with a minor recovery. The stock rises with a minor recovery and touches this point. The second point of the pattern, which is known as the head of the pattern, second point is this is the head of the pattern. It happens when price falls from the high of the left shoulder. This is the high of the left shoulder. ये high है left shoulder का, यहाँ से price fall करता है and it falls below the low of the left shoulder. Low जो left shoulder का जो low है, इससे भी नीचे आता है ये price and then rises again. The price rises again as here, which is clearly visible here, right? The third point, which is known as the right shoulder, it occurs when the price falls again. ये यहाँ पे price वापस fall हो रहे हैं इस level को hit करके, but do not hit the low of the head. Head के levels को hit नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, recover हो जा रहे हैं. Prices then rise again. At this point the price is rising. Once again hit the low of the right shoulder. After hitting the low of the right shoulder, the prices are rising again, and at this level they are hitting this point again. Now a very important key element of the pattern is this neckline. ये जो neckline form होती हुई दिख रही है, this is a very important indicator in the pattern. It is formed by connecting the two high points of formation. Two high points, first at the end of the left shoulder, ये left shoulder का end है इस point, और second at the end of the head, ये head का end है. इन दोनों points को connect करके neckline का formation होता है and neckline always trends downwards slope करती है neckline. Coming on to the completion of the pattern is complete when the resistance marked by the trend line is broken. This neckline, when these points are the resistant points, when these resistant points are broken at this level above the neckline, then a buy signal is generated, right? Now there are some characteristics which are significant in this pattern. The characteristic is, first characteristic is symmetry. Symmetry is an important characteristic of this pattern. The first symmetrical pattern which is there is the left shoulder and the right shoulder should hit their relative lows at the same price and levels. ये आप देख रहे हैं left shoulder और right shoulder, इनके lows round about same levels पे होने चाहिए. Shoulder should usually be about at the same distance from the head. Head से जो दोनों shoulders का distance है, that should be round about equal. Head to right shoulder and head to left shoulder. Talking about volumes, the volume should be highest on the left shoulder as it is visible in the volumes. It should be highest on the left shoulder, signifying that the market have a selling pressure. There should be the volume should again be decreasing and it should be lowest at the right shoulder. But there should be a burst in the volume when the neckline is broken. The pattern is not viable in its form if there are no breakouts in the volume at the breakout in the pattern. At the completion of the pattern, it is important that the volumes also give a breakout. Coming on to this level, the duration of the pattern, it takes several months for the formation of the pattern. The formation takes time because of the lower volumes, the bottoms take longer time to form. इन lower volumes के कारण जो bottoms हैं उनकी formation में time लगता है. Talking about the target price is an important indication of the pattern. We should always look that whether target price for this pattern is sufficient to provide adequate returns after deducting the cost. अपने को और cost deduct करने के बाद proper returns मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं मिल रहे हैं. The target price must indicate a potential return of greater than 5%. We should make it a thumb rule that the target price आपको एक 5% से ज़्यादा का potential return देके जा रहा है. There are some criteria that support and refute. First criteria that support is the support and resistance levels. The support and resistance levels should be at the low and the neckline levels. The head and shoulder should be below the moving average. Moving average के नीचे form होना चाहिए जो head and shoulder pattern है. For a shorter duration, a moving average of 50 days will be taken, and for a longer duration, it would be around about 200 days. Talking about volumes, if there are no volumes, that would be a refuting criteria for the pattern to form. Without breakouts in volumes, the pattern is not reliable in its form. The volume should be highest on the left shoulder and lowest on the right shoulder. But at the breakout, the volume should also give a spurt. These are the various technicalities of the pattern. I hope I have made myself clear. Thank you.